Time been going by fast. Time be moving and I'm just moving cause you know how I move now. You know that it's real. You know how I feel. I pull up, it's real. You know how I feel. I ain't prepping when I say it now. When I pull up to the scene, you know that it's me. I ain't gotta put no name on myself, then you know that it's me. I got out the way when you see me to the scene. I'm making my moves now. You ain't gotta ask about me. When you say my name, you know all about me. I just be going so hard now. You know what I be working for. You know. Out here in Cali, about to meet my business partner for the first time. I think we out here playing. Oh, I see her. Look at her reaction real quick. E-Money. There go E-Money.
Finally, man.
Look at us. Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
Right here, man.
Yes, LA. Ohio to LA. That's right.
That's how you do it, man.
Let's go.
So how did we get started, man? Where does this come from?
You know, 7 months ago, we met through IM Academy, and here we are today. And now we're just flying.
We're flying, man.
We're flying, baby.
All we doing is going up.
Let's go.
Man, it's your boy Pullgi back at it again, rocking with E-Money. If you ain't subscribed to her, you need to go ahead and follow her right now. Stay up to date with the mindset, tools, and investments. She got you. Stop playing with her. Get plugged in. Pullgi,
Okay.
I'm out. For real? That's crazy.
For real.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. See, we're here whipping it on. Look at her, man. Going crazy. Going crazy, man. Oh, man.
You know how we do.
We in Cali, y'all. We in Cali.
Isaiah's always looking at always doing content work. Oh shit.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, man. Hey, man. If you can drop one gem for the people, man. What is something you would give to somebody that's like they suffer through encouragement, they don't know how to keep going? What's some kind of advice you got for them?
I think the first thing you gotta ask yourself is, do you love yourself? And if you don't, what can you do to love yourself? Because that's the most powerful tool to be successful in life. So you gotta ask yourself, when's the last time you took yourself out on a date. And I always say this for a reason, because only you know what makes you happy, and nobody else can ever make you happy until you understand what that is. And from then, everything else, sky's the limit, because your own happiness is going to bring everything else that has to offer. So you're happy.
Has to offer to you. So stop playing with yourself, man. Let's eat right there. We're enjoying this beautiful day.
Act like I'm not here. I'm just taking pictures.
Like our guys' cave. So we wanted to create a space for men to be able to have an opportunity to come chill while the women are upstairs and not have to worry about being around women and women gossip. They can come down, watch the game.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Thank you so much. We can park anywhere? You can park inside the structure called the Jurassic Park. All right, sounds good. Thank you. Hey guys, we're out in Universal Studios Hollywood. We're about to go into City Walk and show Hosea what Universal City is all about. Are you ready to rumble? it's a trip taking people who are not from California sightseeing. This is Josea's first time in City Walk, and he's fucking loving it. It's such a, it fills my heart.
This why it's important you have a travel guide,
That's right.
cause I don't know where I'm at, but I love where I'm at. And look at it. Look at it.
Let's go watch and see.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready.
Man, Universal Studios, man. Oh my God, man. I gotta say thanks to my partner, Esther, man. She's really looking out for me. All this amazing content, man. I'm telling you guys, it's very important to explore, man, because there's just so many amazing views out here. Like, you gotta see this for yourself. You can watch it on this video, but I'm telling you guys, actually being here in person, it's the most definitely different view. It feels amazing, it looks amazing. And you guys gotta see the interest, man. Like, if you're watching this video, I want you to come finish watching this video. Because if you ain't seen the video of the trees, oh my God, it's amazing. Like, just look at this, it's beautiful. Just look at all this. Amazing. You know who's gonna put the view? Me. Look at this view. I look good on it.
Tell the world who you are.
My name is Hosea Stanford, aka Pullgi. If you ain't know, now you know.